Hello there, welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate files and folders on the awesome Linux terminal. Now, basically, the first thing we are going to learn is the pwd command. The pwd command is going to tell you which current directory you are inside, that is the folder in which you are in. Now, when we type ls, it's going to list the files and folders on the computer. For instance, let's say you want to go into this folder, back bounty folder, we type cd back bounty folder, we go into the back bounty folder, and you can see that our prompt has changed. That means we have entered the folder. And we type ls, there's nothing inside this folder, so let's create something into the folder. We're going to use the touch command. The touch command, you input the touch command, you put the name of the file you want to create, then the extension you want to create it in. It could be .py, it could be .txt. We click on this and we type ls again, and you can see that we have secret.txt right here. So now what we have to do is we want to edit the contents of secret.txt. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the nano command, input the name of secret.txt and click enter. So right here we're going to say hello world, this is my first hacking tool. Then we're also going to say subscribe. Now, after this, imagine you want to save this file. So what do we type? Control X, then you press Y, then click enter. Then we have saved everything. So what we have to do now is type cat secret.txt. Then you can see that it prints out the content of secret.txt. Now, for instance, let's say this is a secret, so we don't want people to see it. So what do? We're gonna remove it. So we're gonna use the rm command, then input the name of secret.txt and click enter. ls again, and you can see nothing is appearing right here. We have deleted it. Now we want to create the folder inside this folder. So we're gonna type mkdir, then we're gonna say new folder, then ls, and you can see we have new folder right here. So now we can go into new folder, we click enter on this, you can go into new folder, we type ls, and new folder is being created. Now this is an awesome way to create a folder, but if we want to delete new folder, but we have to leave new folder before we can delete it. So we type cd go back, ls, then we're gonna type this rmdir, then new folder, input the name of new folder, and click enter on this ls, and you see we have deleted new folder. Now thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to ask questions in the comments. I'll reply you shortly.